I'm gonna say, oh my God. I'm gonna say that thing is all of 60 pounds, 70 pounds. I'm gonna have to bring my scale back to find out for sure.
My name is Zach Ellis and welcome to my journey. I don't know where I'm going or how I'm gonna get there, but I'm gonna be tearing shit up every step of the way. Along with a few friends, of course. Honestly, I don't know what I'm going. I'll be building, modifying, repairing, fabricating, and racing every chance I get. But if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and of course, enjoy the video.
What's up, guys? We're back out here with yet another video. Today we are not going to be working on either of my vehicles, but we are going to be working on something to help me transport those vehicles. So if you haven't seen my last two videos, I went out, I purchased a brand new car trailer. One big issue I run into with transporting the SRT4 is how low the car is and how long the front end of the car is. And what I mean by how long the front end is, from the very front of the splitter that I made to where the tires make contact to the ground is like 30 inches, something crazy like that, maybe not quite 30. But it's got a long overhang in front of the tires, which means I need a super gradual, long ramp to get up onto the trailer. The trailer comes with 5-foot ramps, which is like a 45-degree angle. There's no chance that the Neon could make it up. So after doing all the measurements and doing the calculations, it looks like what I need is a 7-inch tall, I think it was 7.5 inch tall ramp that's 7 foot long, which I know a 7 foot long extension is absurd. That's like a serious extension. But considering the slight time crunch that I'm in with moving so soon, and my wife is due our first child in like the next week, this is going to be kind of my last chance to try and knock this out where I have a some sort of free time. And I need to create a video, so I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone. Alright guys, so we finally got everything unloaded in the garage. Today, like I said, we are making ramp extensions for my car trailer that I recently purchased. The wood that we are using is just plain Jane 2x12 boards. Nothing crazy, you know, they're not pressure treated or anything like that, but they're gonna do what we need them to do, at least for the time being. The plan is we're gonna stack up the boards. We're going to strike a line on the side of them just to kind of get an idea of where we need to cut these boards. They're 8 foot overall length right now. I don't think I'm going to keep them 8 foot because at 8 foot they don't fit in the bed of my truck. At 7 foot they will fit in the bed of my trucks. But I don't have a whole lot of time, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Yeah, we'll knock this project out as soon as possible. Oh, and I forgot to say, we're using 3-inch exterior screws, regular old Phillips head screws. We got the idea of what we're going for laid out. The whole purpose of the reason that I'm doing it the way I'm about to show you is because I want to be able to make, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cuts and have 2 ramps and have almost zero material wasted. So let me show you. I don't know if you can see this line here. Basically, I'm gonna cut the board here. This is gonna be the first step up. So you're gonna drive up, your tire's gonna hit here and go on top of this board. It's gonna go 20 1/8 inches. A next cut where you'll go up to the next level. Over another 20 1/8 inches. Next cut to the third board. Driving. Another 20 1/8. You're gonna cut, and it's going to put you onto the fourth board. Get to the very end, it's going to be the last cut here. It's going to put you onto this little tiny section, which is only 4 inches long. And then this is gonna be the only wasted piece. So we're gonna cut right here, and this piece is gonna be trash. That's so the ramp from the trailer can sit on here, so you're gonna drive up onto the top here, and then transition straight to the trailer. Doing it like that, the only bit of wasted material that I should have is going to be 4 inches on each end. Hopefully it comes out perfect, but we'll see. Hopefully I don't waste any material. I'm optimistic. I think it's gonna be pretty dang good. I do have to bring the car here, test drive up these to make sure it doesn't hit anything. And then I gotta take them to the trailer and measure the approach angle for the trailer to make sure together the car, the wooden ramps, and the trailer setup works, right? It should. I did calculate it. I wasn't just kind of shooting from the hip.
You can't tell me a damn thing. I'm lost, at least it's a daydream. I turn into a hole. My days don't stop till my legs weak. My heart is beating like crazy. Does it all to a tune of its own. Truth, I don't know if I can get a hold on me. I lose control. I think it feels a lot like free. And I lose my hope. It feels like gold.
Whichever way it's told, I'm the king of letting go. Yeah, my grip's pretty loose on the block.
Let's see how much this thing probably weighs. Get a rough idea. Ooh. I'm gonna say, oh my God. I'm gonna say that thing is all of 60 pounds, 70 pounds. But it's legit, it's super legit. Let me go ahead and assemble the other one real quick, and then we can look at them a little closer. You know what? Let's do a little YouTube magic. Boom, there they are. 2 ramps in their entirety. Mostly finished, not completely finished, mostly finished. But let's go ahead and look at them a little closer. We can kind of go over the idea of what I had and then what's left to be done to them. All right, so here's the ramps. Let me move me coffee. It is, the bottom board is 7 foot, 6 foot, ah, fuck, I can't remember. The bottom board is 7 foot, 4 inches. The next board is 5 foot, 8. So I'm adding 4 inches because I'm not measuring at the end. The third board is 4 foot long. So third board is 2 foot, 4 inches. And then up here at the beginning, this is 4 inches, and then there's a 4-inch overhang, which adds up to 8 inches. Overall height is 7 5/8. All right. That's all the dimensions of the ramp. 7 foot overall. We're gonna say 8 inches tall, just because it's easier. The only things I have left to do are grind these edges. I gotta taper them so they're a little smoother, so it's just not an abrupt 90-degree angle. If you had a circular saw, you could cut each of these at an angle, and that will save you a fuck ton of time. I don't have one here with me today, and my jigsaw is a base model boy, so she don't cut at angles. So what I'm probably gonna do is come back another day and cut the 45s. And then the other thing is adding carrying handles. What I think I'm gonna do is maybe get some like leftover seatbelt material and just bolt that to the side so they're like little handles. Maybe in the future I'll stain it just to kind of help protect it from weather, even though I'm going to the desert, so rain's not gonna be a huge issue. But we're gonna go ahead and throw these things on the ground, and I think I'm going to pull the E30 back in up onto the ramps just so we can see these things in action. And the other thing that I forgot to mention was I used 1 pound of 3-inch screws. I had like 15 screws left over, so I think I spent $10 on those screws, so not a whole lot. And then all of the wood, each board was $18. I got 5 of them. So in total, these ramps cost me roughly $100, $110. Compared to the race ramp version, I think they're $700. I can put the number here on the screen or a screenshot of them, which, huge difference. Granted, the race ramps weigh 2 pounds, these weigh 70 pounds, but whatever. They're going to do what I need them to do, and they're going to save me money. So we're going to get them on the ground, get the E30 in here up onto them, and we'll wrap this one up. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I would say that was a pretty successful project. I do want to add some sort of grip material to the top side just so I have traction, because God forbid you get stuck in the rain. I don't want to slide off of these things. I'm not positive that these are the official final product, only because they're made for the Neon. Obviously the E30 goes up at no issue because it's not very low, but the Neon is the one that is going to be the challenge, the problem child. So overall, I'm super pleased with the final product. I think they came out phenomenal. Hopefully this gives you guys an idea of what you need to do to make something like this for your car. So I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. I appreciate you sticking around. If you have any questions or if I missed anything, put it in the comment section down below, because I definitely want to get you guys the information that you need to help you do this same project. Other than that, appreciate you sticking around. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.